What say you to the charge that Labour really hasn't gone anywhere in the last year?
Well, I think we've done a huge amount of work in terms of, for instance, repositioning the party, particularly in relation to the budget. We had a budget this year in which I was able to secure, following on my discussions with Enda Kenny, very significant changes in relation to the USC. Well, you know, the voters at the moment, and voters right up, I think, until the eve of the general election, people are concerned about, you know, improving their financial position, getting back to work, having stability, having recovery. We'll be going into the election with a programme around growth, jobs, investment, and stability and security for people, because I think what people will actually want coming up to the next general election is not just improvements, but the security of knowing that they have the potential for a very good future for themselves and for their children.